Chime Credit Builder does not work like a traditional credit card with a preset credit limit that automatically increases over time. If your Chime Credit Builder limit is not increasing, you'll learn why that happens, what affects your available spending power, and what steps you can take to review your account. The first thing to understand is that Chime Credit Builder uses your available funds to determine how much you can spend. The amount you move into your secured account affects your spending limit. If your limit is lower than expected, check your Chime account balance and how much money is available in your secured account. Increasing the amount available may change your spending ability, depending on your account setup. Your payment history and account activity also matter because Credit Builder is designed to help build credit through responsible use. Making payments on time and keeping your account active can help maintain a positive credit history. Open the Chime app and review your Credit Builder details. Check whether your account has any restrictions, missing information, or notifications that explain why your available amount has not changed. If you recently added money or changed your account activity, give the system time to update before expecting a different available amount. You can also check your credit reports to make sure your Chime Credit Builder account is being reported correctly. Look for incorrect account information, missing payments, or reporting errors. If the account information is wrong, contact Chime support and provide details about the issue. Include your account information, the problem you are seeing, and any documents that support your claim. Avoid comparing Chime Credit Builder directly with regular credit cards because the way the spending limit works is different. A traditional card usually assigns a credit limit, while Credit Builder uses a secured account structure. The main fixes are checking your secured account balance, reviewing your Chime app notifications, confirming your account is reporting correctly, and contacting Chime if something does not match. Your next step is to open the Chime app, review your Credit Builder settings, and confirm that your available funds and account information are correct. If this helped you understand why your Chime Credit Builder limit is not increasing, like the video, and subscribe for more credit building guides and credit repair tips.